Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a subdomain to your website on GoDaddy in 2025. Whether you want to create a blog, support page, or a custom section on your site, subdomains are a great way to organize your content. Let's get started. First of all, go ahead and log into your GoDaddy account. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one at www.godaddy.com. Then click on sign in at the top right corner. Enter your username and password, then click sign in. Once you are logged in, we need to go to the domain manager to find the domain you want to add a subdomain to. From dashboard, click my products. Then my account settings. Then select domains. Find the domain name you want. To use for subdomain. Click on DNS or manage DNS next to your domain name. Now let's add the subdomain itself. Subdomains are essentially a new DNS record that points to a specific folder or resource on your website. Scroll down to the record section under DNS management. Click on add to create a new record. In the pop-up window, select A for the record type. If you are creating a subdomain that points to a specific IP address, in the host field, enter the name of the subdomain you want. For example, if you want the subdomain blog.mysite.com, just enter blog in the host field. For the points to field, enter the IP address of the server or web hosting where you want to the subdomain to point. Set TTL to the default or set it to 1 hour if you want faster propagation. If you are using a CNAME instead of an record, select CNAME and enter the target URL in the points to field. After entering the information, click Save to add your new subdomain. Now that you have added the subdomain, keep in mind that it may take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours for the changes to fully propagate across the internet. Typically, you will see the subdomain working within a few hours. And that's it. You have successfully added a subdomain to your GoDaddy account. It's a simple process, but now you can create and organize multiple sections of your website. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to drop a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.